Hello everyone, welcome to Bracket and Brain YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about BIP. BIP stands for Bitcoin Improvement Proposal. BIP stands for Bitcoin Improvement Proposals. This means that Bitcoin is a BIP is a formal document which has new features, which proposes new features, improvements, or processes for Bitcoin's protocol. As you know, Bitcoin Bitcoin has no central authority, right? It doesn't have any central authority or any governing thing to make updates to it. So to make any new updates or to make any changes, BIPs helps it to make any new changes or for any advancement in it. First, before going into the improvement proposals of Bitcoin, let us know what a Bitcoin is. Bitcoin structure is made up of software, hardware, and energy resources. Software, hardware, and energy resources. And the complete governance of the Bitcoin is managed by its code, the code which was written in it. The code completely takes the management of governance of a Bitcoin. See, as Bitcoin is a open source, decentralized. Decentralized means open source means which is available for everyone, right? Open source means which is available to everyone. Decentralized means it doesn't have any central authority. It means that all the nodes will have equal governance, and there is no central authority. As being an open source, decentralized, cryptography based proof of work consensus system, Bitcoin has no central authority to decide future core protocol changes. See, for any future changes or for any future core protocol changes, it doesn't have anything for a Bitcoin. A Bitcoin doesn't have anything. That's why there is a document called BIP. This BIP document is completely made by a community. This BIP document, a BIPs document is completely made by a community. See, therefore, its improvement is based on improvement proposals called BIP. So, the improvements that has to be made for a Bitcoin is completely made by a community which has a set of guidelines, which helps in improvement of the Bitcoin. So, the first BIP is submitted by Amir Taki in 2011 8/19. This is the first BIP, guys. BIP 0001 is the first BIP which is submitted by Amir Taki in 2011 8/19. This is about BIP. BIP is a formal document which has new features, improvements, or processes that has to be made for a Bitcoin. And you have to write about what a Bitcoin is. And next, I will explain you about the workflow. How the workflow happens in BIP. Let us discuss about the workflow. Coming to the workflow, it has a draft, accepted, final, rejected, withdrawn, replaced, active, and deferred stages. See, initially, simply a draft is made. Like a draft is made, a draft document is made, and it goes to an accepted stage. If it goes to an accepted stage, then it is called as final. If it goes to an accepted stage, then it is called as final. The draft goes to accepted stage, it goes to rejected stage, or it goes to withdrawn stage. If it is accepted, it goes to final stage, and and also replaced, and it is also active. This is the workflow diagram, guys. And coming to the types, we have three types: standard, informational, and process. Coming to standard, like any standard track BIP, standard track BIP means like any changes related to the network or protocols or blocks in the blockchain, like any changes, if it has to change regarding the network or protocol or block or transaction, that changes will be made by standard track BIP. Coming to the informational BIP, this is a type of BIP where it doesn't make any any new features or any new improvements. It just designs general guidelines, like the normal guidelines will be given by information BIP, but it does not propose any new features and do not represent like any community consensus. Coming to the third one, it is a process BIP. Process BIP means it completely tells the changes regarding the processes surrounding the Bitcoin, the surroundings regarding the surroundings of the Bitcoin, like about its decision making or about its governance. This kind of proposal changes will be set by processes BIP. These are the types of BIPs. That's all about the BIP. When they ask you anything about the BIP, you have to write what is BIP, and you have to tell first what is a Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is, and then you have to tell what BIP, and then you have to show this workflow diagram, and then just write about these three types. That's all. Thanks for watching the video. If you like bracket and brain, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.